We tend to see aging women through the lens of this body that's decomposing, it's discarded, it's a problem, it's a pathology. Women are valued for being sexual objects, and as women age, they are seen as less sexual objects. So when we can't objectify women sexually, we try to make them change or we discard them. But what about the story for the women who are saying, I might be socially invisible, but actually I feel relieved to not have to play the sexual object game anymore. So what we found in our research is that women have this fork in the road moment as they're aging where they say, okay, I've been handed the script of I have to look a certain way. And there's a developmental crisis when we try to resist the developmental transition. What this looks like is I double down on my efforts to change my appearance and then feel an incredible amount of shame and distress. But then eventually time always wins. But then there's this other road that women can walk down, which they say, oh, thank God, I'm out of the game I never asked to be in. And there's crisis there too of like, am I going to hold on? Am I not? But the kind of allowing of the process to happen of accepting our body to say, wow, maybe that way I was turned into an object actually didn't feel good for me. And I can move into this place of claiming all of these other things about being human that I was distracted from when I was convinced that the only thing that mattered about me was my appearance. Now I have an other kind of social power, which is I know things. I've seen some shit. I've been around the block, and I can actually pour into creative pursuits and my identity in another way. And that also gives us another point of agency and say, what if I could be the alchemist to pass on a different message?